Welcome to my channel all about fashion design. If you love creating beautiful and unique clothing designs, then you've come to the right place. Through my videos, I'll be sharing my passion and expertise for all things fashion design. Start with a croquis, a basic figure drawing of a model. You can either draw it yourself or print out a template to use. Decide on the pose and angle of your model. Will they be standing, sitting, walking, or striking a pose? Will they be facing forward or at an angle? Sketch the outline of the clothing onto the croquis, focusing on the silhouette and shape. Consider the fabric, texture, and drape of the garment. Add details such as buttons, zippers, pockets, and seams. Pay attention to the proportions and placement of these elements. Shade and color the sketch to bring it to life. Use different shades of pencil or markers to create depth and dimension. Finally, add any accessories or styling details such as jewelry, shoes, or hair to complete the look. Remember, fashion sketches are meant to be a representation of your ideas and designs, so don't worry about being perfect or precise. Practice and experimentation will help you develop your own unique style and technique. As a designer myself, I'm always exploring new trends and techniques to bring my designs to life, and I'm excited to share that knowledge with you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, my channel is the perfect place to learn and grow your skills. So sit back, grab your pencils and paper, and let's explore the exciting world of fashion design together.